Today we're going to be cutting this massive piece of agatized coral. I've been waiting because I've been scared to cut it, but let's go right down the middle. Alright, that cut incredibly smoothly. Time for the moment of truth. Okay. Oh, wow. That's got such an interesting pattern up there, and I think I gotta clean out some sand. Oh, maybe not. Okay. That's really interesting looking. Look, you can just see how it agatized downwards through there, and there's a nice pocket right there. Look at that. It's got such a weird little feeling on there. It's got the same feeling as this outside, but inside. I'm not mad at that.